Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your problem. Problem is that your Face ID is not recognized, so you have to fix that issue. So simply just have to just follow some steps to fix that issue. Simply just go to settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. And simply just go to your general section and just go to software update and you have to make sure you have a updated version of your iOS and your iPhone, maybe your iPad. Just scroll down and just go to transfer reset iPhone. Just tap on a reset and just tap on reset network settings. After that, just simply just go back and just scroll down of your settings and you see there is an option privacy and security. Just tap on that, and the other option is location services. Just tap on that and just scroll down and see there is an option system services. You have to just select it and just scroll down and you see there is an option a significant location. You have to make sure that it's turn it on before going to your turn a face ID in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So you have to just go back and again back. So just simply just have to just go to face ID and password. Just tap a password of your iPhone and just scroll down and you just have to reset your face ID and just again enter your face ID and your problem you're gonna fix. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.